So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate fake Snapchat DM screenshots for free without any software that you can use anywhere you want. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser, and here you have to search for Zeoob, which spells like Zeoob. Just simply search for it and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, when you scroll down, you're gonna find this option which says Snapchat DM generator. Just simply tap over there, and again, once you do that, here all you need to do is to just simply go to this option which says generate in Snapchat post. Just simply tap over there, and once you open it, here you're gonna see you can customize multiple settings that you want to create for your Snapchat, and you can customize the username, the image, as well. And once you are satisfied with your changes, all you need to do is to just simply hit on this option which says save your chat, and your fake screenshot have been saved to your system that you can use anywhere you want, and you can do the same process from smartphones as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.